Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus car. First, make sure your key fob is with you inside the vehicle. This allows the car system to recognize your presence. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the engine. Finally, prepare to locate the engine start/stop button, usually found on the dashboard. Your Lexus uses a smart key system, so the car needs to detect your key fob signal to allow starting. This is why having it inside the cabin is essential. Simultaneously, pressing the brake pedal serves as a vital safety interlock. It ensures the vehicle is stationary and prevents any unintended movement when the engine powers on, keeping you and your surroundings safe. Once the key fob is detected and your foot is on the brake, simply press the engine start/stop button. You'll typically find this button conveniently located on the dashboard, often near the steering wheel. A single press should ignite the engine smoothly. If for any reason it doesn't start immediately, try holding the button down for a few seconds until the engine turns over. If your Lexus doesn't start, first check your key fob battery. A low battery can prevent detection. Also, confirm that your vehicle is securely in park or neutral, as most cars won't start in other gears. For specific model details or persistent issues, always refer to your Lexus owner's manual. It contains comprehensive information tailored to your vehicle's unique features and troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.